Hey guys, it's Sharell. Welcome to and welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Bali. Hey guys, it's Sharell. Welcome to and welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Bali. We're at our villa. I'm gonna insert the room tour here. Okay, since y'all back from the room tour, how y'all like it? It's not even a room tour. Let's get it right. Since y'all back from the villa tour, how do y'all like it? I love it so far. Um, So currently we are the only ones here. We are expecting 4 more guests, and that will be our couples trip for the year 2023. And this house is perfect for us. It also has a gym, which is nice. Oh, I didn't even give y'all an actual like room tour. I'm gonna show you our bathroom for you guys to see. I gave y'all a villa tour, but not a room tour. I gotta show y'all the bathroom. Got to show y'all the bathroom. So this is the view from our room. All the rooms the same except one has 2 twin beds, but all the rooms the same except this room. It doesn't have an outside shower. But let me show you our bathroom. So this is the bathroom. This is the toilet area. This is our vanity. This is my scrunchie. I took it out my head. But nice mirror, nice vanity. They even have a seat for when you do your makeup, even though that probably won't be done this trip. Love this sink. Have towels, smell good. We have this guy over here. We have a towel rack. We have more statues, a hamper, a safe, of course. Gonna hang up a few things. And this is our shower. So you come in the shower, but then you come outside to outside shower, which is fully private. And 4 of the 5 rooms have this outside shower. So I cannot wait to use. So cool. So, they even give you some body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Next morning, we just had breakfast. It was okay. I bought a case of water, but I'm sitting in the villa. I'm breaking out, but I'm sitting in the living room in the villa, and I'm gonna show you my view. Everybody else is getting their massages. That's why I'm trying to be quiet, but nice chill morning. My coffee was terrible, but I'm trying to get my energy some way. But nice clean morning. And we will be going to the swings and Kriya Beach Club. So we are going to the day club in Krita. We're going to the day club, Krita, and the swings today. We're about to leave in a couple of minutes. I'm not sure I'm gonna rate you guys because y'all not charged, but I do have my phone, so hopefully that's charged and we could use that. But I have on, let me show you. I have on this striped shirt from H&M, some shorts. I have my Tory Burch sandals, and then I'm gonna wear it with my Temu bag. So I need to pick out sunglasses. So I had sunglasses somewhere. Let's see what this is right here. So I'm wearing these glasses. So like this. Are we ready to go? Yeah.
Won't say anything?
I'm scared. I'm petrified. They are those cute.
You are my sunlight. You are my sunlight. You are my sunlight. You are my sunlight. You are my sunlight.
Just one round. I know we was waiting on you.
So tonight, we just got back about to have dinner at the house. Barbecue.
Barbecue with chicken satay also.
Smell good.
Chicken satay.
Chicken
Satay.
Chicken saute.
Corn fritter. This samal mata. You know samal mata?
No.
Fried salad,
Fried salad.
lemongrass,
Okay. Lemon dressing.
shrimp fish, kapi lime leaf, kapi lime,
Okay.
and oil.
Got it.
Grilled prawn with laser galangal and garlic.
Okay.
Laser galangal,
Okay.
sweet ginger. Semua kori. Grilled chicken with coconut milk and kapi lime leaf.
Okay.
Roll fish with lemon basil and tomato.
Okay.
Steamed rice. grilled long bean, spinach, bean fruit, and sweet coconut.
Okay.
Hey guys, we're at the Timawala waterfall. We're about to go in the water, we could swim, and we'll go take pictures. But okay. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Wednesday. We are actually on our way to Fins. It's going to be a 2-hour ride for us. We're just waiting for our driver. I have on a white shirt, my leopard or cheetah, I don't know, bathing suit, shorts, and then my shoes. So yeah, we're just ready to go. I was rushing because all that time just passed me by. Breakfast was for breakfast was for 8, and then just had like an hour to get ready. We had an hour to get ready, so that's what I did. And yeah, happy about today, happy about the vibes, and just can't wait to get it. But I can't bring the camera. Fins prohibits cameras in the pool area, so other than that, we are good. And I like my hair. It's like I have like a messy bun, but it's braids. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is how I look. I'm in the bathroom. This outside shower is the shit. It's the shit. But yeah, and then I have my red shades to match with my I have my red shades to match with my red shoes. I was going with my red purse, but I ain't got time. So yeah. Well, we about to go. I'll just talk to you guys later.
What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you make me beautiful when I'm worth nothing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful when I'm worth nothing.
Two.
One person say two. Two shots. If it's three shots, then you want to say two. We say two. Yeah, two? Okay. 6 seconds, okay? 6 seconds. Oh, okay.
6 seconds. Let's go.
Okay, ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Only you make me do for love when I worth nothing.
we give you adjustment one by one. Just relax.